Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to do this look using products from Glam21. ये have you heard of this brand? Like I think मैंने इस चैनल पे एक दो बार पहले ये ब्रांड और इसका एक आधा कोई प्रोडक्ट मेंशन किया है, and that product was actually a lipstick that I really loved. So one day, I don't know, I think मुझे Instagram पे Glam21 की ad आई and I was intrigued. I saw the brand, I saw the website and I was like, oh my god, they have some products I really need to try. So I placed an order and guess what? मैंने Monday को order किया and Tuesday को I got my order. It is very quick, which I absolutely loved about Glam21 like ये. And yeah, so Glam21 is very similar to Swiss Beauty, Mars and Insight. Like ये सब brands almost same time पर, almost same vibe के साथ start हुए थे. But it's just that कि Mars ने, Swiss Beauty ने, Insight ने थोड़ा सा अपनी marketing को पकड़ के रखा, right? And that is why I think they did so much better than Glam21. Glam21 is little, I think they are a little slow in everything, and that is why they are off the radar. But today we are going to test the products. Okay, I have bought them with my own money. We are going to try that. And yeah, I'll mention all these products. I will put the website in the description box if you want to check out like the website. And other than that, all these products I will put the links in the description box. I will link the Amazon because that is my affiliate. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so I have a hell lot of products today, and 3 of them are these foundations from Swiss Beauty that I have a separate video on. I'm wearing them and I reviewed them, so do check that out. Just telling you if you want to check out because वो आ जाएगी like 1-2 uploads के बाद. Now coming to Glam21. So I believe I have like 7 products from Glam21, and most of them are eye products as usual. So let's talk about this thing first. This is their makeup remover wipe for all skin types. This is the makeup removing wipes. मेरी wipes खत्म हो रही थी, and as I was making an order, I saw कि इनके पास makeup removing wipes है, so I thought let's give it a try because if it is any good. Okay, so that is that. Then we have a kohl pencil. So this is their kohl extreme carbon black kajal. And first of all, just look at the packaging. Just look at this packaging. It is giving, okay? And as we are talking about packaging, I have much to talk about. This is their eyeliner. This is the eyeliner, wonderful professional makeup Glam21 waterproof eyeliner, right? Then we have 2 eyeshadow palettes. These are 2 quads. Can you see? One is green, one is blue, right? So we have this. Then we have 2 lipsticks. So one of them is long lasting non-transfer lipstick, and the second one is ultra velvet matte lipstick. Okay, so we'll talk about all of these one by one. Let's talk about this kajal first because I do somehow feel, I'm not sure if I will be using it today. I don't know if you want like a separate review for this thing, like not separate review but like a review of just using this kajal on a day-to-day basis, if that is something you want to see, because I think I will include that as well. So this is a black kajal. Let me give you a swatch. Oh, it is very creamy. It is creamy. It is nice. It is carbon black. Okay, the kajal, oh my god, it's good. Okay, it's good. I will give it a minute to settle down, right? By the time, let's see the eyeliner. This is the waterproof eyeliner. This is like a wand wala eyeliner. I'm so done with sketch eyeliners now at this point. I just feel like sketch eyeliners को आप ले लोगे 2 दिन उनको खुशी खुशी चलाओगे and then they will dry out, and that just hurts my heart. Like why? So this is the eyeliner. It's a good packaging. Oh, this is the stiff liner. The just stiff brush होता है जिसका. This is that, and this is how it is. It is quite black. It is a matte eyeliner. I hope. Wonderful matte eyeliner. This should be matte. Let's give them a minute to settle down. Then we'll see if they are waterproof. So the kajal is definitely smudging a bit. So it is not that smudge proof, which is, I don't know if I should say it is a good thing or a bad thing, because you definitely want smudging eyeliners if you want that smoky eye. But is it a good thing? Like would it smudge throughout the day? That is something I will see throughout the day. Okay, now about the liner. Oh, the liner isn't smudging, you guys. Can you see? It is not smudging. Nice. Let's see if it you know goes away because of water. Like let's see with setting spray. It is not, guys. Okay, बहुत मुश्किल से बहुत रगड़ने के बाद it did a little bit, but it wasn't bad per se. Like nice, like बहुत रगड़ना पड़ेगा तब निकल जाएगा, but yeah, I mean निकलना भी चाहिए because how we are going to remove it अगर वो ऐसे निकलेगा ही नहीं तो ठीक है. So this was about the kajal and the eyeliner. Let's come on to the quads. So these are the two quads and one of them is green. So इसका नाम है No Promises. Okay, so this is the green quad. Let me show you. This is how it is. It is pretty green and I'm wearing green, so you know what we are going to do today, right? And then we have a blue quad, right? So this is like a true cobalt blue quad. Let me show you. Let's look at this. Look at this beauty. It is so pretty. But you know, you do see like these two shades, these three shades are very similar. I don't see much difference over here. Like ये मैं बता सकती हूँ थोड़ा सा violet है, but I think ये तीनों जब साथ में लगेंगे ना, they will look very similar. Let me give you a swatch. See, ये दो shades हैं and they are very similar. And this is the third one. These are so similar. And this is the fourth one. Ooh, this fourth one is so gorgeous. It's oh my god, this is so good. Now since we are about to test wipes as well, let me test wipes simultaneously. Let's see if it removes makeup or not. These are quite fragranced, okay, and that is that. If anybody has thing for fragrances, these wipes are not at my loves. So let's see. Okay, yeah, it is removing, so that is that. Okay, so these quads are for 200 rupees each and this is like a good big bulky quad. Like ये छोटे से मरे से with tiny pans नहीं है. It is a good sized quad and you can see the pigment is intense. But problem ये है कि मैंने अभी last week जब वीडियो बनाई थी ना, तो I did very similar blue smoky eye with almost this type of color. So for today we are not doing the blue, okay, and इसका नाम है Wild Out. So some other day, okay. Today we are going to focus on the green one, which is No Promises, okay, and we will do a very difficult eye makeup, okay. So I'll start off with kajal. Let's see where can we take this. So let's hope I can make it work. So I'm trying to do like a very graphic eye today, something like that, and I'm just going to take it over here as well. I don't know why मैंने ये किया because I think हमें liner भी तो test करना है ना. So let's not do this. Let's skip this part. Let's focus on this and we'll do this with something else. Okay. I'm taking a very angular brush and let's move in with the quad. So let us take this shade. Okay, the darkest shade of green. Ooh, it is coating the brush perfectly. This and this. Okay, not bad. I am taking an angular brush because I want to have like a... See, the problem with these, and I won't necessarily call it a problem, these quads, they have shimmer shades, okay. There is not a single matte shade. These are all shimmer and you can see this shade is pretty pigmented. Like it did not come to play, and because it is a shimmer shade, there is not a lot of room for playing around, like blending it to play around or anything. So that is definitely a thing. So now let's move on to some other shade. I'll be taking this, or should I take this? I should take this, and I'm taking it on the lid. The pigmentation is really intense, you guys. I am mind blown already. Okay, so this is a good palette. Now for the lower lash line, I think हमारे पास अभी दो shades रह गए हैं ना. So let's go in with this darkest, very jade green color, and I'll apply it over here. The pigmentation, I tell you, is intense, and it is in my eyes. Like, yeah, it's in my eyes. And for the last shade, this very olive color, let us take it in the inner corner over here. For an inner corner color, this is a little too dark. I just messed up. I am just not liking the way this looks right now, and I'm just taking it inside. Yeah. Okay, let us just not give up. Put the eyeliner. Let's do the eyelashes. The eyeliner, the brush is just definitely not it, guys. I can tell you already, this brush is going to give me a very hard time making a wing, because I can barely make a wing with normal wings. I can make this work. You know what? I'm just taking off this. This just doesn't look good. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Let's apply mascara, shall we? Let me do my hair, okay? Then we'll do the lips and lashes, and then we'll see where to take it now. Hi guys, I am back after a lot of time, and I changed this look a little bit, if you can see. Yeah, I did a little bit of changes, and palette bhi niche gira hua. Oh my god. Okay, so I jazzed up a little bit, like I cleaned everything, and ये जो jade shade था ये मैंने यहाँ ऊपर use किया है, और ये नीचे ये वाला green मैंने नीचे कर दिया. So I changed it up a little bit because मुझे लग रहा था that, you know, it's not popping the way it should pop. So that is that. Now let us try the lipsticks, right? Let me just quickly line my lips, right, with a lip liner. I'm using this Swiss Beauty ka lip liner. Okay, so coming to the lipsticks. Now, I actually have two lipsticks with me right now. These two lipsticks. One of them is this Ultra Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Hazelnut. Now, मेरे पास ना 2019-2020 के around, and if you are an oldie to this channel, you would know कि मेरे पास Hazelnut के नाम से Gram 21 की एक lipstick होती थी जो बहुत beautiful color था, and that color was literally intense and nice. So I thought कि हम hazelnut try करते हैं, and this is how this hazelnut is. I think this hazelnut is very close to the hazelnut I had that time. If I'm not wrong, yes. But I think वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा creamy थी. So this is hazelnut, and then I have sultry wow. Is it wow? It's wow. I think WOW. It's wow. And this is more like a peachy nude, and this is brown nude. So yeah, I think we should give it a try. I think both of them, because I think peachy wow would be a little too light for me. So I'll do an ombre lip situation, right? It's a pretty this lip color is giving everything. But I do feel कि ना the OG hazelnut was very pigmented. This isn't as pigmented. Yeah, so let's apply sultry bow. This definitely is a little bit more pigmented. Although इसके ऊपर ही पता नहीं लग रही, but I definitely feel it has lightened up my lipstick a little bit. I think it's fine. I think it's working. I think this lip combo is doing fine with the eye makeup, right? And yeah, this is the final look, you guys. This look isn't my favorite honestly, but I definitely see कि ये shadows बहुत अच्छे हैं, and also इसके अंदर बहुत सारे shades available थे, so you can definitely give it a try. मुझे जो सबसे colourful दिखे मैंने उठा लिए. You can definitely go in with your favorite nude and whatever color you like. Coming to the lipsticks, this Glam 21, this one hazelnut shade, I think it is very pretty beautiful. Nude shade, like this is the color I would love wearing every day, so big hit from my side. Sultry Wow I do feel is a little light, but if it is a non-transfer lipstick, like I think I would like to do a wear test. Like listen, stay updated on my space, because I might do a lot more tests on these products as well, because this is literally the first impression. But third time ke baad, you know, when you start using products in a routine, you understand like how they work. So stay updated on this space to know how they work. This eyeliner, as much as I like the eyeliner, I think this wand is not my thing. The wand is definitely killing it for me. And ye kajal I will test out on the daily basis, like everyday wear mein, and then we'll see if this kajal is any good, right? The eyeshadows from my end are a big hit. Like, listen, I would love to, you know, dive in this palette one day. जब मुझे हो जाएगा कि हाँ, I'm feeling the blues, I will dive in this palette because I can see the potential of the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows from my end are a big hit. You should definitely give it a try. Coming to the makeup wipes, now I do feel कि makeup wipes ना, they are not as juicy as they should be. Like, ये थोड़ी देर में सूखती जा रही हैं, and these are not the best, okay? But if you are somebody who, like for example, I have two phases, makeup phases. This is one phase where I have full face of makeup and I have to remove this makeup, so I obviously want juicy vibes. But then sometimes when I come back from office, I'm just wearing one kajal and one lipstick and I have to remove that, and for that purpose I think these type of wipes are good. Like, this may come juice hai, you don't feel like you're wasting, you just use a little bit and it's done. So uske liye ye theek hai, but otherwise I'm just not a fan of this, okay? So yeah, this is it for today's video, you guys. If you like this video, please like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now meet you next video, guys. Bye bye.